In this video, you will see how to join biking exchange reward participation reward airdrop. Okay, so biking exchange is newbie exchange nowadays. So it's recently has been published on Play Store, even recently launched in a website. So people go there and do, you know, buy, sell, doing trade. So biking exchange is give way to doing nowadays, so you can join immediately. So 5 USDT everyone will get. 200 people $1,000 offer, so you can easily join it here. So to doing register, to doing participate, first thing first you need to do register in biking exchange. So to join biking exchange, click on that registration button, and that will immediately bring into your website. And here you need to put your information for doing registration. You already know because you have experience about doing registration on in online, any apps or in a website. Click on that sign up button and put your email. Pretty straightforward, nothing complicated. Put your Gmail here, something like that. I will suggest you put your one and click no need referral code. Click on register. I do not do refer here, so don't waste time here. And captcha, done that captcha and go to bring your code from your Gmail. Okay, so straightforward. If you be winner, you will get money. Okay, so come into here. Here is my another Gmail is logged in. I put this on, so refresh somehow, and that is pretty much loading still. Maybe you are seeing that Discord picture is not pop up, that is still loading. Okay, so until that. Okay, okay, I'm pausing. So yeah, if you don't found your code, click on third dot button and come into spam, and here you will get your verification code. So 911334, my code on 911334. Next step, put your password, create my one. Okay, so put your password, come back again. So same password you need to put the separate box and click on submit button. After creating password, registration success. Now if you click on the 3 4 dot button, here you will see your everything. Okay, if you click on, okay, now total asset variation. So I'm doing desktop mode, this one. Let me see what happened. It is not working good way, I'm saying. Okay, now you will be work. If it is not, okay, now it's registration done. Now this UID you need to have. So now registration done, come back to Telegram. So if you not yet join my Telegram, check out this video comment box. I already put my link on there. You immediately just click on comment box, you will see my comment with a link. You can come out that link into my Telegram. Okay, so now second thing, fill form. Just click on that form. Okay, I wanna do the I wanna bring that site inside of Chrome. And now come back here, open that from link, and that from link will be immediately pop up in front of your screen. Here you need to provide your UID that you created biking actions, and you need to provide some Twitter task that pretty much easy, straightforward. I will show you. Okay, so first thing first, this need to be open, neither it will not be work. Okay, so maybe I need to turn on my VPN. Okay, VPN is spinning, but by okay, that is worked now. So here is biking access UID, Twitter comments link, and Twitter profile link, and nothing else. So come again here, and here is tweet, and I'm gonna go another account. Okay, this one. No, I did buy this account. I'm gonna go this one. Okay, you can use any Twitter. How many Twitter you have? Pretty much easy way you can join. Straightforward, you can join in this offer. Just follow this video step by step. First, create account. Second, come into from link. Third, do Twitter task, and bam, nothing complicated. Okay, so that is been opening. That is being opening our Twitter task. Nothing, tough here. Straightforward. Just follow our Telegram update and YouTube video every day. You will immediately be genuine, be expert in YouTube crypto space. So follow them, and here is like retweet. That no need to cost to you any money. Now what should you do? Here is the one, like follow, retweet, comment on any backing tweet, and leave your UID. Feel to claim top token airdrop. Okay, 5 USDT. And now here we need to put just your UID. Okay, so where you will get your UID. So for getting UID, you need to go your curating backing actions and click on that forward button and copy this UID. Copy this UID and come here in the from and paste here your UID, Twitter comment, and maybe so here is you need to backings UID, and now click on the reply button that immediately has been posted. Click that link button, share button, and immediately grab that link and come back this prom link, as well as I will suggest you your profile link. Okay, Twitter profile. So how do you get your Twitter profile? I remember how to get Twitter profile. Okay, is this on? If you are in browser, you can grab this. Okay, now this one. Okay, copy this link and immediately come into here, and here is you need to post your comment link that you copied, and here is your profile link. Paste and submit this button, and your submission is successful. Okay, so this is the process. So today our video is just it. If you are not yet joined our Telegram, immediately check out comment box of this video or check out YouTube channel's description. You will get a couple of links for joining our Telegram. So this video is wrap up here. See you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting. Okay.